Okay, so a particular detailed video of this two product, the Boya BY-M1 Pro as well as the Boya BY-M1 is already listed on my channel. You can check that out later. And for this video, I'll be talking about a comparison between this two and also letting you know or helping you know which one you should go with. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So inbox content for both the microphone is same. You will get a microphone, a clip, a windshield foam, pouch, some paperwork and stickers. By the way, the box also looks the same, but yeah, obviously the name is different on the box. Then comes the cable. The length of the cable is same in both the microphones, but there is some things to notice is the condenser. So here you get a slightly bigger condenser in the Pro variant, where you also get an extra switch which is used for noise cancellation up to -10, and yeah, the other switch is the default switch which comes in the normal variant as well, which is used for switching between smartphones or DSLRs. Then one more additional thing which you get in the Pro variant is the earphone jack, where I tried one thing like inserting another microphone in that earphone jack, but yeah, obviously it was not working, so not worth to try. So don't buy if you are thinking to do so. But yeah, you can obviously use it for listening your live audio which you are recording. And talking about the audio quality, so this is the audio from my iPhone 14 internal microphone. And now, this is the audio from the Boya BY-M1 Pro. Because of the noise cancellation, the audio seems little good as compared to the normal variant. But yeah, obviously there is not that big difference, because in editing also you can remove this background noise as well. Also, sometimes if you're trying to record some audio which is very difficult to record, like you are doing a ASMR video, then it will be hard for you if you put it on ANC. But yeah, obviously you can switch the ANC off while that time. Then this was all about the things which are there in both this microphone. And now I'll talk about should you buy the Pro variant or the normal variant of this Boya BY-M1. So first thing which will come to your mind is the price. So if your budget is less, around 800 rupees, then you should definitely go for the normal variant, because there is not a vast difference. And yeah, obviously if your budget is about 1000 rupees, around 1200 or 1300, then obviously you can go for the higher variant, because with additional features you will have to pay the additional cost, right? But according to me, it's not worth of buying this Pro variant, because you have to pay the 1.5 times of the normal variant, whereas you can do the same thing which is provided in the Pro variant by learning some editing tips. And yeah, a quick tip, recently I have came up with a very good audio editing settings which help me improve my audio as well. And yeah, it is just a 2 to 3 minute process in Premiere Pro. So do let me know in the comment section if you want a detailed video about how to edit your audio so that it makes a good impression on your viewers. So that was all about this video. Do hit the like button and the subscribe button if you find my content was really helpful for you guys.